Oh my God, I've been waiting on it to rain. It's been like scattered flurries. I was like, nah, I ain't doing this. That rain jacket is so hot. If it's not pouring down, I'm not putting it on no more, man, for real. Come on, people. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Come on. Let's do this. Stop and go, buddy. Stop and go. Stop and go. Stop and go. It made me turn into a speed demon. What are you doing, my guy? Jesus. Oh my God. Just go this way. You watch him speed up now. You watch him speed up. Watch him be right here. Oh no, they're still driving slow as shit. You never know if people gonna switch lanes at the last second. Gotta take it easy. Come on, man. Come on, people. Come on, come on, come on. I was gonna go that way, even though I gotta go that way to get to work, but I feel you, buddy. Yeah, y'all driving too slow. I feel you, my G. I just took my rain jacket off. Just took it off. And now I'm getting some sprinkles. Dude, come on, man. Get over there already. Jesus. Okay, y'all stop and go and turn. Jesus, don't take all that much. Unless somebody making a U-turn. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. I'm just another block away from work. So close. So close. The light is green, people. The light is fucking green. Ugh. Almost, baby. Almost. I gotta push it sometime. I gotta push it to the limits, baby. Especially once it starts sprinkling. Slide on in here. That boy good. That boy is good. The rain just now about to start too. And I'm right here. Man, I be in a hurry sometime, man. I can't help it. That's why I ride a motorcycle. So I can do shit like that. You got it. Come on, my guy. You finna give me a colonoscopy or what? What you finna do? Make sure you use some lube. Alright? Way back behind me. All back there by my back door, man. Alright, I gotta get here. Do your thing. Turn into all this. I gotta make it to work. I gotta get undressed. All I put on was my rain pants, but I'm good. Stop and go, baby. Stop and go. Trying to dodge these puddles. Alright, people. I made it safe. I didn't get rained on. I'm good to go.